In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to break down big tasks with Grok AI. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a project or a goal that seems too big to tackle, this walkthrough will show you a simple way to turn that big idea into a clear, doable plan. We'll start by opening Grok AI, get into the chat, describe your goal, and then refine the breakdown until it fits your needs perfectly. Begin by opening Grok AI. You can visit the official website in your browser or access Grok through the X Twitter platform on your device. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can start a fresh conversation. Using the official entry points helps ensure you're getting the most up-to-date features. Next, open the chat interface. This is where you'll type your request. Starting a new chat keeps the context focused on the project you're about to describe, which usually leads to clearer results. Quick note before we continue. I've placed the official link at the very top of the description. If you're using Grok via a website, use that link. If you're going through an app, you'll find a download or access link there as well for easy setup. Now, describe the big task or goal you want to break down. Be specific about what you want to achieve. Mention any important details like deadlines, team size, tools you intend to use, constraints, or what success looks like. The clearer your initial description, the more accurate the breakdown will be. Ask Grok to break it down. You can type something like, break this task into smaller steps, or divide this project into manageable tasks. If you want a certain level of detail, include that in your request. For example, ask for phases, dependencies, or time estimates. Review the task breakdown that Grok generates. Read through each subtask and make sure it aligns with your goals, timeline, and resources. Check for any missing prerequisites, unclear steps, or items that feel out of order. This is your chance to confirm the structure makes sense for you. If needed, modify the breakdown. Ask Grok to reorder steps, add details, or simplify the language. You might request clearer milestones, grouped phases, or prioritized actions. Don't hesitate to iterate. A couple of quick adjustments can transform a good plan into a great one that you're confident executing. That's how you can break down big tasks easily using Grok AI. Thanks for watching.